Good morning, friends. Today we are going to get our, whoa, my hair. I just took a shower. Today we are going to get photos taken for our visas, which need to be applied for right away. Actually, no, you don't need your glasses because they make you take them off while you're getting your photo taken. To see while we're there, on the way there. You can get them right now if you want to be able to see on the way. So, where do you go to get visa photos taken in Siem Reap? This is new to us. We used to go to this place called Good Luck Photo when we were in Phnom Penh. And now we are going to a place called, which actually I asked on a site called Reaper Babes, and they have said to go to Siem Reap Thmei photo shop. So that's where we're gonna go. So we're gonna take you with us right now. You're gonna see what we need to do, what we all get up to, and how much it costs. And then you'll also know which size to get, because it's a little bit precarious. I don't always know what size to get or what to do properly. So let's go do it. I also don't know how to turn off this without.
I was just watching Stranger Things.
Might need to switch. We're not balanced. Can you switch spots with me, please? We're not balanced.
Oh, I don't know if it's a good idea to do it right now. We'll see if he if he asks us to. He was bored. It was something that he got interested in because he was at home.
Because he couldn't walk?
Yeah, because he just, I think it was something that he got into because he was really bored. And he was at home by himself. Hank from Breaking Bad. Molly. Is it jiggly?
Yeah, it's because we're not balanced.
Pickup place.
As per usual, all of this, like, Cambodia can be
There is
a little weird sometimes.
But there is a drink.
Thank you. The signage has been taken off the wall for the place we're going. So let's just go and check it out.
Look at what? Oh. Could have gone then, I guess.
Stop. What are you singing? What are you singing?
Oh, look, it says vlog. Oh, that's funny. We're vlogging right now and it says vlog.
So,
One page is $3?
so is it one page has 4 pictures? Okay. That's way more expensive than it was in Phnom Penh, isn't it?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, like $5 for everybody's stuff.
They're probably the cheaper places. It looks like they've got the goods though.
Yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah, tuck your hair behind your ears. They need to see your ears.
Oh, back. One, two. Flashback. Okay. One, two. Dude, did you see that? It was like, I saw a picture. I saw like a flash.
It was just spirit.
Okay. Okay.
The spirit of the photo.
It was her soul coming out of her body.
Okay.
Now she's a
Yeah.
demon.
Milo, you.
We're secretly selling your soul to the devil.
Is that fun? Is that scary?
Yeah.
Milo said he saw a demon next to you.
What? That's because I am Satan.
I saw a demon in front of your face.
Okay.
Oh my god, it looks like there's multiple Satans in the room.
My turn.
Milo, you're also
Can you
Satan.
hold this for me, please? Thank you.
What is that sound?
But there's gonna be a flashbang, and then there's gonna be
Oh, yes.
there's gonna be a double photo of her. You can see another her for a second. One, two. Do you see that?
I think so.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay, Dad, your turn.
Alright.
Okay.
You wanna film me?
Yeah.
Take off your hat, take off your glasses.
Take off my shirt. Oh, no. Yeah. I can do it, it's okay.
And your glasses.
And your glasses.
Yes, I heard.
Oh, do you also need your hearing aids taken out? I think they will.
Really?
Yes. Here.
Hang on, let me get my hearing aids out.
Wait. And also.
I've not turned them off. Such a mom.
Such a mom.
She's my stylist.
Okay.
Put a bit of makeup
Mom,
on.
you're blocking the view.
Finish it.
Okay.
Powder on my nose.
Ow.
If you're on the slouch, I can't go any smaller.
One, two.
Yes, extra handsome.
Extra handsome.
Okay.
Done.
Okay.
Alright.
How long to wait?
Oh.
About an hour.
No?
3
How
hours.
long?
Couple of hours.
Stop. It doesn't. Don't let it go in. Okay. Maybe.
I've seen that.
Have you?
I remember when I was like 8 in the Legoland, like I think I was 9 or 8 in the Legoland video, when we went in.
Action.
We come back in 30 minutes. I think maybe we should go to Koi. Want to go to Koi?
Yes, because I.
Molly
think
said she's
it's-
going to pay for us all.
Wait, what?
Special treat.
Yeah,
Thanks,
totally.
Mols. We've got to wait for 30 minutes now. We're going to go get a treat from somewhere.
Gotta wait for Mom to see the footage.
Put it in and go.
What's connected? Like, it doesn't stick out at all, it just stays on the.
Yeah, they do. Yes, they do.
They don't.
Yes, they do.
don't. Yeah, they do. Yes, they do.
This happens quite often in Cambodia, doesn't it? Where just like signs are taken down and businesses change and you don't realize.
Yeah, maybe.
You look like a boy.
Sorry. Alright, should we cross? Go where?
5 minutes.
Go where for
I
what?
lost my arms.
Oh, at least you're armless now.
Oh my gosh, it is funny.
You can't hurt me because you're armless.
I actually can.
Ow! Should we sit down?
Smile.
Alright, so we've got the photos. They've made us look extra awesome. I look very young in this photo. It's a pretty good filter actually.
Dude, you look 60.
I look 60.
I thought Milo was 50.
I'm pretty happy. Are you happy, Kaylee?
Yeah.
He said if they didn't work, we could come back and he'd do them
yeah,
again.
although it was probably about 5 times more expensive than what we
Yeah,
got
for whatever
from Siem.
reason, it was more expensive at this place.